Jai Shri Krishna, everybody. Today we gather to grieve and mourn Kiran Bai's mother, who passed away almost about 36 hours ago. Well, I'll hand over the mic to Kiran Bai.
Jai Shri Krishna. As you know, my beloved mother passed away Monday late night Pacific time around 11 o'clock. She was 91 years old, very full life she lived, but more importantly, I believe she made our lives very full, very joyous, very helpful, very blessed. All the time I lived with her, that I was always happy. I don't mention that she lived with me. I always want to say I lived with her, whether that is India or USA. Today, she is not with me and not with us, but her blessings are with us. And I welcome all of you here today to join this prayer meeting for my mother. Thank you everyone for taking time from your busy schedule and from different parts of USA and India as well. I see Dr. Shah, orthopedic surgeon from Ahmedabad, also joining us. And every one of you, I know that each and every one of you have touched my mother's life at one point or other. You all have been very, very helpful, and particularly during last 3 months of very difficult journey when she was battling her cancer. You all have contacted me innumerable times by phone or by in-person visit. And not only that, you all have given your prayers, your best wishes, your support to me and Hema and Deepam every single day. And I thank you for this. That tough journey of last 3 months is now over, and I feel my mother now is starting her last journey. And though none of us are with her physically, I believe God is always and will always be with her in her last journey that has just started. I will tell you today we will be here on this meeting for about an hour, maybe a little more, as much as is required. And this meeting is also not only for Ba, but for each and every one who has either lost a life or a livelihood during the difficult 2 years that we all have seen around the world. I don't know of a single family or a friend who has not lost a loved one, either here in USA or in India, or any part of world. This is also my humble prayers for all those. Many of us who are some of us present here also have lost very, very loved ones, either family or friends. And I pray, and we all will pray for them as well. With that, I also want to thank initially Dr. Soda for arranging. I'm not a very technically savvy person, but it is with his help that we will be able to enjoy. Enjoy is a little ironical word today's occasion, but I believe Baz, if Ba was present here, she would always be showering her blessings to all of us. With that, I will briefly mention our program will be that I will ask Dr. Soda to start with a very touchy Gujarati bhajan, and then I will request one by one each of you to say whatever you feel like saying about Ba and about anything. Thank you, Dr. Soda.
Kiran Bhai, without further ado, Usha will start with a common Gujarati song. And we'll continue to grieve and also celebrate Ba's life.
Jai Shri Krishna. Badane, I'll start with one of the Ba's favorite bhajans, Mara Gatma Birajta Shri Nathji. Birajta Shri Nathji, Prabhuji, Mara Gatma Birajta Shri Nathji, Mahaprabhuji, Maru Manadu Chindo Pud Anera, Maru Manadu Chindo Pud Anera. Gatma Birajta Shri Nathji, Yamuna ji, Mahaprabhuji, Mara Gatma Birajta Shri Nathji, Yamuna ji, Mahaprabhuji. नित्य करता श्रीनाथ जी ने ताला रे वाला, नित्य कर
ઘટમાં બિરાજતા શ્રીનાથજી યમુનાજી મહાપ્રભુજી મારા ઘટમાં બિરાજતા શ્રી
Jai Shri Krishna.
Go ahead, Kiran Bhai.
Thank you very much.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Aben. Thank you very much for Bane Gamtu Bhajan. Nitin bhai, please mute your. Bane Gamtu આ ભજન ઉષાબેન, thank you very much. તમે આજે બધાને રજૂ કર્યું. અને as I mentioned, now I will request our dear friend for in many years and my elder brother from here who is always been with me at all important events and turning around of my life. For Baz, this journey, he was the one who initially contacted me and advised and guided everyone. As I mentioned, each and every one of you has touched. I will start with Dr. Sant Chawla. Can we unmute Dr. Chawla, please?
Please, Dr. Chawla, you can unmute yourself.
Good evening, Jai Shri Krishna Bhai. Can you all hear me?
Yes.
Kiran Bhai, Vinod Bhai, and everybody, brothers and sisters. I'm really honored and privileged that I got to know Ba ever since I moved to Los Angeles for a number of years, at least 20 years ago. And we had a fortunate occasion that Ba get to meet my own mother. And they met in various times at my place and at Kiran's place. And Kiran and I have lots of things in common. We both are professionally research oncologists. Second, we never left home. We always lived with our parents. So in summary, I never grew up and Kiran Bhai never grew up. Although our children have left us and they lived in their own place, we still lived with our parents. And the third thing, because we lived, all our siblings thought we were favorite of Ba or Ma, although the Ba and my mother always said, you are all favorites. And Kiran Bhai, Ba is still around. Her spirit, her beautiful smile and joke, even when some of the things she couldn't comprehend, she was still around and she recognized me. Just few months ago, we were at the party at Gupta's place, Mr. Gupta and Mrs. Gupta's place, and we talked for a long time. She didn't know my mother had passed away, but she talked about her. And you did everything, but I want to let everyone know that whatever the service Kiran Bhai provided was not even half of what Hema Ben provided to Ba. In fact, my wife Kusum did the same thing for my mother. And in fact, when we used to see Hema Ben serving Ba, I didn't know whether she was Kiran's mother or she was Hema Ben's mother. And as the time suggests, we all have to physically go away, but spiritually we're all around. And I'm honored that I was blessed by Ba many, many, many times and an opportunity to serve. And I feel blessed, Kiran Bhai, Hema Ben, to be part of your family. Jai Shri Krishna, and may Ba get all the peace in heaven. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Chawla. Thank you for your kind words. Dr. Chawla, for those who do not know, is very noble human being, besides being a very prominent sarcoma specialist and oncologist for many years, affiliated with several universities, including UCLA, University of California, and so forth. I will now request Dr. Kamlesh Sankhala. He is head of the clinical research. He is a medical oncologist. He has been to all top institutes in this country, and he has always helped me right from the day one that I knew him and during Ba's entire journey. He being a cancer specialist, Dr. Chawla and all our other colleagues, they have always guided me for every single day how to and which way to move forward for the treatment. Dr. Sankhala, please.
Dr. Shah and Himaji, thank you so much for making me part of this journey. And looks like I'm the youngest of all, so I'm here to have the wisdom from all of you. But we're always touched by someone in such a way that there's no way that we can forget that ever in our life. So I had an honor to meet Ba several occasions at several places. One thing which is very striking about Ba is that if she's sitting somewhere in the room and there are like 200 people in that room, there's no way that you cannot feel the power of her presence. Even if she's not talking, she's just looking around, you can feel the power of her presence. And that power will make you to go to her, talk to her for a few minutes. Whether you understand Gujarati or not, you will communicate and she will communicate. She will give you a smile and you will get some smile and you will get some happy moments. So that's kind of like a communication I had with Ba. And her memory was very sharp. Even if you meet her after 2 years, she will recognize and she will mention something which will connect you and will surprise you. So as they say that the bache and the parents are sabke saaze, means kids and parents are they're shared by everybody. So Ba will be in our memory and Ba will be around us. And we are honored to be part of the journey with Ba and the rest of the family. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And now I will request our dear friend. It is not enough to introduce him as nephrologist, Dr. Arvind Mehta. It is more important for me and my family to introduce him as our family. Dr. Arvind Bhai Mehta.
Right. Okay, okay, yeah. Hi, Jai Shri Krishna, all of you. I know most of you here. First thing, I should tell everybody that I am extremely lucky, fortunate to have met several times Ba. My own mother passed away almost like 15 years ago. And then when I saw her, I've been seeing her for the last 15 years. Every time I come down here to the home here, and I always feel like I got my second mother here. she respected me so much and I respected her so much. I felt like that she's my mother. She was quite witty and we used to also joke around. And I just got quite a bit of motherly love during that time. So I totally forgot. To me, Kiran was my brother and Emma was my Bobby kind of thing. Now, let me tell you the kind of seva what the Hema has done for her, it is just absolutely unbelievable. And it was not like whether it is Sasu or mother, it will not make any difference to her. And Emma, I'm really, really proud of you. And also, Kiran Bhai, what can I tell you? I mean, you're absolutely wonderful, great son to this mother. And I have seen the kind of the emotions that you really bestow on your mother and entire family. My hats off to you. Other thing is that and we were very, very fortunate. On the day of the death, just an hour ago, we visited her in Essential in the hospital. With me, my wife Jayshree was there, and Jayshree is quite spiritual. She put the hand on her forehead, and she was singing Yamuna. What was that? Yeah. And that, yeah. And
it was Monday, so I sang Rudrastakam first, praying to the Lord Shiva, and then Yamunaji, I saw Srinaji Bhavani Chabi, so I sang Yamunastakam.
Yeah, and so we were very fortunate. To me, it was that particular moment was very spiritual, something very unique that I felt. And I was with Kinabai also. And after that, listen, I can just bow to her, and I had a last glimpse of this heavenly mother, and I was extremely fortunate. An hour after that, Kina called me at home, notified me that she just passed away. It was a very emotional moment, and well, we need to celebrate her life. She was just wonderful, and I should tell you that both Hema and Kiran, they did a fantastic job taking care of her. And Deepam is an amazing son that they have got. And I have seen that how she is also he is taking care of the bar. My hats off to you. Again, thank you everybody, and Jai Shri Krishna.
Thank you, Jai Shri Krishna, Arvind Bhai. I want to mention though that everybody in my family, my elder brother, who we can see here in my screen, it is lower part of the third line in the middle, next to Dr. Gaurang Shah, my brother Dr. Bipin Bhai Shah, Bhabi Nilima Shah, and everybody have taken care of my mother in all these years while she was here in Ahmedabad or in Arizona at my nephew's place. And of course, we all know they have taken great care of her in these difficult times. With that, I will have Dr. Vinod Soda to say a few words.
Thank you. Thank you, Kiran Bhai. First, more deepest sympathies for the whole family. I met Kiran Bhai at Dr. Chawla's place some years ago. And I felt that I had known him for so many years. And when I visited him at his home and I met Ba, I felt that there was a presence of my mother in Ba. The kind of way she would talk to me, I felt that what mother that I had lost when I was young, she was the epitome of that. Each time I saw her, she was a bright, very pleasant, very likable, and somehow I felt that Usha and me, we really got along with her. Although we grew up totally in different parts of the world, you know. Ba was sick for last 4 or 5 months ever since she returned from Arizona. And I have seen Kiran Bhai take care of Ba, in which I felt so proud of him that he literally stopped working. He was constantly by her side. He was in a nursing home and he would not leave the place. You know, at every moment he was thinking how he could make her life better. I feel so proud of him as a friend. Hemabin too. Jai Sri Krishna, I'll ask Usha to say a couple of words.
We were just so fortunate to be able to meet Ba on several occasions, and just loved talking to her and smiling all the time, and just showing us all her affection. And we'll miss her dearly. Thank you so much.
Good, thank you. Kiran Bhai.
Thank you, Vinod Bhai and Ushaben. Before we go to next bhajan, I will request one of our family members. She spent lot of time with Ba at nursing home next to her bed, and she will give us her experiences and her perspectives sitting next to Ba every day in last 2 months. Radhaben, please unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself.
Ba, oh Ba, that's all I used to hear and I used to repeat. That was such a big pleasure to have her in my life. By career, I'm a day trader, futures trader. But waking up at 4 o'clock in Pacific time, it is kind of a little hard. So I was venturing out and trying to see what can I do. And at this stage of my life, I'm not interested in too much money, but keeping myself busy and finding the emotional fulfillment. And that's what I got. It was such a big pleasure to be part of Ba's last few months. I used to tease her and try to keep her alert by asking her, "Maro naam શું છે? I'm not Gujarati." And somehow I used to talk to her in broken Gujarati and try and tell her and let her remember with a reference that "Maro naam Radha છે, Kanani Radha." And she used to say it, repeat it, and then again next day she used to forget it. But she remembered my voice. So one time I asked, "Maro naam શું છે? Tu mari dekdi છે." It's like no shortcut, forget it. And it was such a loving moment. And every single afternoon, her and myself enjoyed talking about dal doklis and bangris and everything. And when she was not in pain, she was such a joyful person. And I have said this many times to Kiran Bhai. She came in my life to fulfill the gap, the emotional gap that I was having, because I haven't been to India, I haven't been with the family with this COVID. And that's what had happened. I got more out of her than she got out of me. May God bless her with a lot of peace and pain-free life. Love you, Ba. That's all I can say.
Thank you very much. And as you remembered COVID, I can tell one more thing about Ba. Last whole year, almost 2020, she would see me and Hema home most of the time, or working a little bit, and most of the time with computer and all that. And she would be surprised, and she would ask us, "કેમ તમે લોકો ક્યાંય જતા નથી? ઘેરના ઘેર કેમ છો?" ત્યારે અમે કહીએ કે બા કંઈક આ રોગચાળો ચાલે છે એટલે બહાર ના જવાય. We can't go out because of this epidemic. She would, I don't know how much she would understand that, but she would feel happy that yes, it's good they are home. Ironically, nobody's happy with epidemic, but that thinking retroactively now, I also think that this time at home compulsorily because of the COVID last year gave me, Hema, lot of time with Ba whole year at home. Normally we would be out of the home for majority of the day and she would be home alone. But last year, lot of time we could spend with her. And that's because of the compulsory quarantine or whatever we say, lockdown and all the restrictions. But that, retroactively speaking, gave us a lot of time with her. And who knew that this was coming? With that, I will request Ushaben and Jayshree to have one more bhajan or whatever they have planned.
Jayshree, would you want to sing a bhajan?
Jai Shri Krishna, everyone. I'm going to sing a bhajan. He karuna na karnara, તારી કરુણાનો કોઈ પાર નથી. હે કરુણા કરનારા, તારી કરુણાનો કોઈ પાર નથી. હે સંકટના હરનારા, તારી કરુણાનો કોઈ પાર નથી. મારા પાપ કર્યા છે એવા, તારી ભૂલ્યો કરવી સેવા. મારી ભૂલો ના ભૂલનારા, તારી કરુણાનો કોઈ પાર નથી. હે પરમ કૃપાળુ વાલા, મેં પીતા વિષના પ્યાલા, વિષને અમૃત કરનારા, તારી કરુણાનો કોઈ પાર નથી. હું અંતરમાં થઈ રાજી, ખેલ્યો અવળી બાજી, મારી અવળી સવળી કરનારા, તારી કરુણાનો કોઈ પાર નથી. મને ચડતો નથી કિનારો, મારો ક્યાંથી આવે આરો. મારા સાચા ખેવનહારા, તારી કરુણાનો કોઈ પાર નથી. ભલે છોરું કછોરું થાય, તું માવીતર કહેવાય. મીઠી છાયા દેનારા, તારી કરુણાનો કોઈ પાર નથી. એ ભક્તોનો દિલ ઉદ્ધતિ, તારા ચરણે લે અવિનાશી. રાધાના દિલ હરનારા, તારી કરુણાનો કોઈ પાર નથી. હે કરુણાના કરનારા, તારી કરુણાનો કોઈ પાર નથી. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Vinod bhai.
Sure. Usha, bhajan listen. Sure.
आई जाने रंग में तुरंगाई जाने रंग में सीताराम तणो सत्संग मां राधे श्याम तणा तू रंग मां तुरंगाई जाने रंग मां तुरंगाई जाने रंग मां आज भजशु काले भजशु भजशु सीताराम प्यारे भजशु राधे श्याम आज भजशु काले भजशु भजशु सीताराम प्यारे भजशु राधे श्याम श्वास खुटशे नाड़ी टूटशे श्वास खुटशे नाड़ी छूटशे प्राण हीरे तरंग मां तुरंगाई जाने रंग मां तुरंगाई जाने रंग मां सीताराम तणो सत्संग मां राधे श्याम तणा तू रंग मां तुरंगाई जाने रंग मां तुरंगाई जाने रंग मां
Thank you, Shaban and Jashiban, for these prayers. And before I go to Dr. Pravina Gupta and Badribhai Gupta, and then to Nimishka, and then to Dr. Karthik Thakur, and other friends, I just want to also say that we are going to continue these evening prayers every day till funeral. So you can feel free to join anytime in the evenings. I'll be sending you different links every day, but we are going to continue prayers evening every day. And at this point, I can say the funeral will be either this Sunday or Wednesday 19th. Because of COVID restrictions, I am still trying to make all the arrangements, including my nephew who is likely to come from Arizona, my brother, who is likely to come from North Carolina, to accommodate the schedules of everybody, as well as COVID restrictions and everything. It will be either on this Sunday or Wednesday. With that, I will request if Dr. Pravina Gupta or Dr. Badribhai Gupta are there, I will want them to say a word. I can't say if they are here or not because I only see one iPad. Are you there? If you're not there, let's go till they become ready. We will go for our family friend Nimisha Desai. If she can say a few words. Thank you.
Namaste, everyone. Kiran Bhai, Hema Ben, Deepam, please accept our heartfelt condolences on Ba's demise, but she's in a happy place. She was suffering, and हमने बताने privilege है for knowing her and knowing all of you for almost close to 30 years now. And forever Bano smiling face and એમનું sweet welcome કાયમ માટે યાદ રહેશે. And the only regret is કે છેલ્લે અમે મળી ના શક્યા, પણ that was how God willed. But ખૂબ જ ભગવાન એમના આત્માને શાંતિ આપે. She is in a happy place અને તમને બધાને strength to bear this loss, and very privileged and happy to have known Ba. Thank you.
Thank you. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
રંજન બેન, તમારે કંઈ કહેવું છે? તમારે કહેવું હોય તો તમારું માઇક્રોફોન અનમ્યુટ કરવું પડશે, અથવા મધુભાઈને કંઈ કહેવું હોય તો. ઓલરાઈટ, મધુભાઈ, તમારું માઇક્રોફોન અનમ્યુટ કરવું પડશે તમારે, if you can. Okay, till you become ready, we will go to Dr. Karthik Thakur. Are you there? I'm not sure. But let's go to then ભાઈરાજભાઈ. ભાઈરાજભાઈ અમારા અમદાવાદના ખાસ મિત્ર છે અને ભાઈરાજભાઈ, કિરણબેન બંને અને એમનું એન્ટાયર ફેમિલી ગુજરાતમાં કલેક્ટર હતા ત્યારથી અને ઓફિસર હતા ત્યારથી માંડીને અહીંયા બધે જ એ અમારી સાથે કાયમ, અને બાને મળવા માટે પણ તેઓ ખાસ આવ્યા હતા. તે દિવસે ગંગાજળ પણ લઈ આવેલા. અને ભાઈરાજભાઈ, જો તમે રેડી હો તો તમારું માઇક્રોફોન અનમ્યુટ કરીને બોલી શકો છો, ઇફ યુ વોન્ટ ટુ.
ઓમ શાંતિ. અત્યારે ઉપસ્થિત સર્વ
તમારા જે માઇક્રોફોન બે બીજા ચાલે છે, બીજા કનેક્શન એ તમારે બંધ કરવા પડશે.
બા સાથેના આશીર્વાદની જર્ની મારી અર્લી 80s શરૂ થઈ હતી. હું યાદ કરું છું તો બાનો પહેલો શબ્દ હતો જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ. એ બાના અંતિમ દિવસે બા પાસે હાજર રહી અને થોડાક વેદના મંત્રો અને પ્રાર્થના કરવાની મને તક મળી છે. એ માટે હું કિરણભાઈના પરિવારનો ખૂબ ખૂબ આભારી છું. બા સાથે અલગ ઝલક ઘણી વાર મળ્યો હું અને ઘણું બધું શીખ્યો છું. બાના જીવનની સાદગી, સર્વ માટેનો પ્રેમ અને એમના ઉચ્ચ વિચારો પ્રસાદી આપણા સૌના જીવનમાં ઉતરે એવી મંગળ કામના કરું છું. કિરણભાઈનો જે ખાલીપો આજે હું જોઈ રહ્યો છું, એને ટાળવા માટે એમણે જે દોડાદોડ કરી છે અને ક્યારેક મને પણ એમાં ક્યાંક જોડ્યો છે, એ માટે પણ હું સમગ્ર પરિવારનો આભારી છું. બાની આત્માને પરમ શાંતિ પરમાત્મા આપે એવી મંગળ કામનાઓ સહ હું ફેરવું છું. જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ. Thank you, Bharat Bhai. I know you have been with us during this so many times. I had to tell you to run to all the way to Santa Monica and so forth. And you have always been ready. At the last moment when something happened and I had to request you to run to far off places, you have always been make yourself available. Thank you very much for that. And I would like to now have our special friend from my batch in Ahmedabad and also Presbyterian Intercommunity Hospital pulmonologist, critical care specialist, Dr. Dakshaben Mehta. Please unmute your microphone. Thank you.
Jai Shri Krishna. I was fortunate to meet Ba about 2 years ago and found her so kind and loving person. And then I get to know your family, Kiran, Hema, and Deepam also. I see Deepam quite often at the hospital, and you all three remind me of how my nature is. And I always took care of my parents also. And when I met Ba, she reminded so much of my own mom, who passed away about 7 years ago. And I took care of my dad also, and he passed away about 6 months ago. So I was very touched when Kiran, Hema, you were all going through this in last 2 months. There is one incident, like when I went to visit her, took Shiro with me to skilled nursing facility. All she wanted was, where is Kiran? Why isn't he here? Like that was so much of her, like she wanted him like 24/7 with her. And I tried to pretend that I'm Hema. I held her hand and I said, no, you are not Hema. So, I mean, she loved both of you so much and was very kind. Paramatma emna atma ne shanti ape. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna. Thank you very much. I cannot go without mentioning that, Daksha, you have gone to Ba's bed so many times in PIH hospital from your office. You have taken care of her at the bedside. Not only that, you also went to Whittier nursing home where we had Ba for several weeks. Every time, sometimes even without my knowing, you will be there and suddenly you will start the video Zoom call or something with Ba, with me. And then I realized, oh, you are already there. And, you know, really, you have done it so many times in last 2 to 3 months. Same way, all of you, Dr. Chawla, Dr. Sankhala, everybody, you know, whenever you went there to see my mother, you will do the video call and that would be an additional my time with Ba, only because of all of you. So thank you again. And I would like to also request our another family friend also from NHL Municipal Medical College and also very prominent urologist who has also worked not only in India, UK, and now in California, Dr. Gaurang Shah. We will unmute your microphone and then Gaurang Bhai.
Jai Shri Krishna, Kiran Bhai, Hema Ben and Deepam. My heartfelt condolences to you and your family. I had met Ba few times and she was very likable and joyful individual. And me and my family has always enjoyed her company when we visited you. may her soul rest in peace. And it is very difficult for any family members to lose mother. Recently, I lost my father a month ago in Ahmedabad, and I can see what you guys are going through. But I think at the end of the day, we'll have to let it go and just celebrate how they lived and follow on that principle. That's the way I will look at it. Thank you.
Thank you, Rohit bhai. I know it's very hard for you to lose your father just before a month in Ahmedabad. You had to run with this all COVID situations. You ran to Ahmedabad from your busy schedules, and you tried to be with him. And thank you very much for also all the time taking care of. I know your brother is also the orthopedic surgeon in Ahmedabad. We also have Dr. Rohit Shah, orthopedic surgeon from Ahmedabad, also here. Rohit bhai, will you like to say a few words? If you like, please unmute your microphone. You can unmute, and then let us have a few words from you. Your microphone needs to be unmuted, Rohit bhai. Okay.
Emma?
Yes, we are fine.
Yeah, 1 minute. 1 minute. I'll just adjust it. Emma Ben, all the people have done said a lot of things about your Ba, Pujya Ba. I've hardly met her. Maybe once or twice when I came to your place in Maninagar, I met your mother, and whatever I heard about your care and Hema's care, I'm very, 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 very happy about it. Because I know Hema when she was a very young child. Her father and my father were very good friends, and we were neighbors. And right from the beginning, I felt that she is that type of lady. She has really taken care of your mother. I heard from all your friends in America that she was more than her own mother. That's the only thing I want to say. And my pranam to everybody, all the friends, my regards to all the friends. And that's the only thing I want to say. Thank you.
Thank you, Rohit bhai. And of course, we have Manoj bhai and also Meena Ben from us. Manoj bhai will sing a song, a bhajan, and then, if possible, Meena Ben can tell us a few words. Thank you, Manoj bhai and Nita Bhabi, to be with us, and we'll be like to hear a bhajan from you.
Jai Shri Krishna. It is going too far, and I would say that बात निकलेगी तो बहुत दूर तक जाएगी. The relationship with Kiran and his family and Bipin sitting over here also, and relation has been more than 80 years, which is more than my age also, because his father and my father, they have been good friends, and since I would say since I was born, I knew from that day. She was very close to the God all the time. When I went to pick up some of the stuff, Kiran asked me to pick it day for yesterday. And what was there? The God pictures, Krishna pictures on the wall, and bhajan book on the desk. So I just picked it up, and I would say that she was believing in that the last breath would be with the God. Karta chute mara prana, janamo janam taro sa, તારું મુખડું મનોહર જોયા કરું, રાત દાડો ભજન તારું બોલ્યા કરું, શ્વાસે શ્વાસે રટું તારું નામ પ્રભુજી. ભક્તિ કરતા છૂટે મારા પ્રાણ પ્રભુજી. And yeah, go ahead. મારી આશા મારા અવગુણ હૈયામાં તરશો નહીં, ભક્તિ કરતા છૂટે મારા પ્રાણ પ્રભુજી. મારા તાપને પાપ સમાવી, તારા બાળકને દાસ બનાવી જજો, દેજો ભક્તિ કરતા છૂટે મારા પ્રાણ. Jai Shri Krishna. And that's how she departed.
Thank you. Very touching. Thank you. Right. અને આપણે મીનાબેનને રિક્વેસ્ટ કરીએ 1 મિનિટ માટે કંઈક કે મીનાબેન પણ બાને ઘણું મળેલા છે, અને પછી ડલાસથી આત્મન રાવલ. મીનાબેન, તમારું માઇક્રોફોન અનમ્યુટ કરીને અમને 2 શબ્દ કહેશો. મીનાબેન,
તમે મને કહો છો?
હા, તમને જ કહું છું.
ઓ સોરી. ઓકે, હું બાને ઘણા વખતથી જાણું છું, અને knowing her very happy face all the time, elegantly dressed, અને તમે હેમાબેન અને તમે બહુ જ એમનું સારું ધ્યાન રાખ્યું છે. હેમાબેન ને હું ઘણા વખતથી જાણું છું, એમણે સખત પોતાના મધર હોય એ પ્રમાણે એમનું ધ્યાન રાખ્યું છે, ખાવા પીવામાં ખાસું ધ્યાન રાખેલું. એટલે I feel really proud of both of you taking such a good care of your mom, and she is really, really lucky to have, both of you. You've done a wonderful job. અને દીપમ, he is a real good grandson. બીજા બધાને તું જાણતી નથી, તમને લોકોને જાણું છું, મને ખબર છે, but you have taken such a good care of mother, and I'm very proud of you.
Thank you, Meena. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Thank you for your kind words. આત્મન રાવલ મારા ફેમિલી ફ્રેન્ડ છે, અને જીવન એમના બ્રધર ઇન લો પણ, એ પણ અત્યારે ડલાસથી સાથે આપણી સાથે
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ. કિરણભાઈ, હેમાબેન અને દીપમ બધાને. અને બા તો બા હતા. હવે એમણે જે આટલા વર્ષે પણ અમે કેટલી વખત જ્યારે પણ અમે કેલિફોર્નિયા હતા, અને જ્યારે એ હતા ત્યારે આવીએ ત્યારે એટલા ખુશ થઈ જાય અમારી જોડે. અને એ જે દિવસ હતા અમે અત્યારે પણ યાદ કરીએ છે, તો બાર એટલા પ્રેમાળ હતા કે શું વાત કહેવાય. તો કોઈ પણ માણસ આવે એ કે સંભળાતું ના હોય તોય કે મારી જોડે વાત કરો, થોડી વાત કરશે. પૂછશે.
Sorry.
દરેક
Sorry, I didn't know.
સોરી આ અમારો ફોન પડી ગયો. એટલે પણ એમનું જે પ્રેમાળ, એમની જે વાત કરવાની, દરેક જણ જોડે કંઈક વાત કરશે, દરેક જણની જોડે ભળી જશે. અને તમે પહોંચો તો આમ અડધા થઈ જાય, કંઈક કરી નાખવું, કંઈ બનાવીએ. અને હેમાબેન અને કિરણભાઈ, તમે જે બાનું ધ્યાન રાખ્યું છે, અને છેલ્લે સુધી એમ મારે જ્યારે કિરણભાઈ જોડે પરમ દિવસ 2 દિવસ પહેલા વાત થઈ ત્યારે પણ એ તો પૂછવાનું જ નથી. છેલ્લા દિવસ સુધી, છેલ્લા 3 મહિનાથી તમે લોકો દિવસ રાત બધું ભૂલી અને બાની જે સેવા કરી છે અત્યાર સુધી, એ તો કહેવાય આ જમાનામાં તો ખબર નથી કોણ કરશે એવું. પણ ધન્ય છે બાના તો બધાને આપણને આશીર્વાદ છે. અને બા જ્યાં છે આપણને જુએ છે, અને આપણે બધાને સુખી થવાના છે બાના આશીર્વાદથી. અને એમના આત્માને શાંતિ આપે એવી રીતે. જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ. જીગીશા.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ હેમાબેન. જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ કિરણભાઈ. ને આ બહુ દુઃખ થયું આ જાણીને, પણ બા તો બા હતા. બા ખરેખર બા એટલો બધો બધાને પ્રેમ આપ્યો છે ને. અને બા નહીં, મને હજી બાની હાથની રસોઈ બી યાદ છે. એટલું આમ પ્રેમથી જમાડે. અને તમે ને હેમાબેન ખરેખર, દીપમ બી એમને એટલો વાલો. બા તો હંમેશા શું કહેવાય, she'll be always with us. આપણા હૃદયમાં બા હંમેશા રહેશે. ને બાના આશીર્વાદ તો હંમેશા તમે જે કર્યું છે ને હેમાબેન ને કિરણભાઈ, જે સેવા, એવું બહુ ઓછા ને એવું મળે છે કરવા, અને કરે છે. એટલે જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ. ભજન છે
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ કિરણભાઈ, હેમાબેન. જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ. દુઃખ થયું બાનું સાંભળીને કિરણભાઈ. અને આપ તો ખરેખર બાના જે એટલા શું કહેવાય કે ખરેખર આપનું અપબ્રિંગિંગ, આપનું ને હેમાબેનનું બહુ જ અદ્ભુત છે. બાકી અમે બી પોતે વિચારીએ તો આટલું બધું ના કરી શકીએ જે તમે કર્યું 2 જણા. અને એ જ બાનું ખરેખર કહેવું પડે. અને બા માટે ચોક્કસ પ્રાર્થના કરશું અને માળા બી કરશું કિરણભાઈ. જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
ચોપડી મળી ને ભજન ગવાય? પૂછી જો
મને નથી ખબર, બધા હશે તો. કિરણભાઈ ભજન ગવાશે અત્યારે કે ટાઈમ છે એ રીતે કે?
હા વિનોદભાઈ. હા કોને? જિગીશાને ગાવું છે?
હા જિગીશાને.
બધા ગાશે ને. એમાં કઈ
આપણે હજી 1 કલાક છે એટલે આપણે ગવાશે. 3-4 મિનિટનો કોઈ વાંધો નથી.
ખબર નથી તમને
ગવાશે ને?
હા ગવાશે. હું રાખું.
હે નાથ જોડી હાથ પાએ પ્રેમથી
માંગીએ, શરણું મળે સાચું તમારું, એ હૃદયથી માંગીએ.
જીવ આવ્યો આપ પાસે ચરણમાં અપનાવજો, પરમાત્માએ આત્માને શાંતિ સાચી આપજો. વળી કર્મના યોગે કરી જે કુળમાએ અવતરે, ત્યાં પૂર્ણ પ્રેમે ઓ પ્રભુજી આપની ભક્તિ કરે. 184 ગંધનોને લક્ષમાં કહી આપજો, પરમાત્માએ આત્માને શાંતિ સાચી આપજો. સુસંપત્તિ સુવિચારને સત્કર્મનો દૈવારસો, जन्मो जन्म सत्संग थी किरतार पार उतार जो आलोक ने परलोक मातव प्रेम रंग रंग व्याप जो परमात्मा आत्मा ने शांति साची आप जो मरे मोक्ष के सुख स्वर्ग आशा विनती दीदो देह दुर्लभ मानवीनो भजन करवा भावती साचु बतावी रूप श्री रण छोड़ हृदय आप जो परमात्माई आत्मा ने शांति साची आप जो
ઈશ્વર બાના આત્માને શાંતિ આપે અને પ્રાર્થના કરો આત્મા.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ. અને આત્મન રાવલની એક બીજી ઓળખાણ પણ અગત્યની એટલા માટે આપવા માંગુ છું કે જે દિવસે જ બાને દેવલોક દિવસે જ
સોરી મ્યુટ હતો. સોરી અમારે છે ને ફોનમાં બંધ કર તારો. અમારે ભજન વખત
કિરણભાઈ તમે અનમ્યુટ કરજો ને પ્લીઝ.
ભજન વખત અમારો ફોન મ્યુટ થઈ ગયો.
હમણાં જોયું બોલો. સોરી
હમણાં જોયું.
ના ના કિરણભાઈ કે બોલો.
હા કિરણભાઈ બોલો.
સોરી.
Okay. Anyway, thank you very much. Again, sorry for little technical difficulty, પણ એટલા માટે પણ હું આત્મનની ઓળખાણ આપવા માંગુ છું કે જે દિવસે બાને અંતિમ દિવસ હતો એ દિવસે જ મારે આત્મનના ફાધર સાથે પણ વાત થઈ હતી. એમના ફાધરને કદાચ તમે બધા જ દરેક વ્યક્તિ જે અમદાવાદમાં છે તે ઇનડાયરેક્ટલી જાણતા હશે. ગુજરાત સમાચારમાં ગ્રહોના તેજ તિમિર નામની જ્યોતિષની કોલમ દર રવિવારે કેટલાય વર્ષોથી જેમણે અદ્ભુત સફળતાપૂર્વક લખેલી છે અને કેટલી પણ અગત્યની આગાહીઓ વ્યક્તિગત અને દેશ માટેની કરેલી છે અને સાચી કરેલી છે. તે આત્મનના પિતા અને અમારા ખાસ મિત્ર, એમની સાથે ખાસ મારે વાત થયેલી અને એમણે પણ બા માટે સ્પેશિયલ એમની રીતે પ્રાર્થના સમયસર કરેલી. હું એમનો પણ આભાર માનું છું. અત્યારે તે આપણી સાથે. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ. With that, we will like to request Deepam to conclude this program. Thank you.
Okay. Good to see everybody. So I don't have much more to add than what everybody has said and what my parents have said. I'm glad we can at least, pay our respects now. Yeah, so she was, caring, loving to all of her children as well as grandchildren like myself. And she loved everybody unconditionally, which we all know. And yeah, I think that's about it for me right now. So I'll just conclude. That's it. Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Shri Krishna, and Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.